In this session, let us learn about HTML tables. HTML tables allow web developers to arrange data into rows and columns. See the code and example. See, doc type, table family, Arial sans serif, border collapse, width 100%, TDTH. See, TDTH means we are creating a table here. Background, style, HTML tables, company, contact, we have given some information, table, see, TD, TR, TD. The table contains TR and /TR. In between TD, /TD. This creates table. This table format. TD, TR creates tables. For writing execute this code, the result returns this HTML table. See, Ponnuri Gopie Krishna, contact, country, everything, it's created. Watch carefully and practice, you can understand easily. This is a code like you should write. Define an HTML table. A table in HTML consists of table cells inside rows and columns. See the example, a simple HTML table. See the code. This is a simple HTML code. See, H2 a basic HTML code. Table style width 100%. TR, TH company, TH contact, TH country, /TH, /TR close. See, Ponnuri Gopie Krishna in. This is a simple table. To understand the example better, we have added borders to the table. Slowly we have, see, these are the borders we have added. By writing and executing this code, the result returns this. Table cells. Each table cell is defined by TD and /TD tag. TD stands for table data. Everything between TD and /TD are the content of the table cells. See the example. TD and /TD tags. See, we have added borders here. Note, table data elements are the data contents of the table. They can contain all sorts of HTML elements, text, images, lists, other tables, etc. You can create anything. See, TD elements define table cells. For it, execute this code, the result returns this. Table rows. Each table row starts with TR and end with /TR tag. TR stands for table row. See the example code. See here. TR, TD, TD, TR, TD, TD. TR element defines table rows. To understand the example better, we have added borders to the table. You can have as many rows as you like in a table. Just make sure that the number of cells are the same in each row. There are times where a row can have less or more cells than another. You will learn about that in a later chapter. Table headers. Sometimes you want your cells to be headers. In those cases, use the TH tag ins followed of the TD tag. Example, let the first row be table headers. See here, the element defines tables here. Here we are using TH for the TH element defines table headers for headings. To understand the example better, we have added borders to the table. See here the example. By writing and executing this code, the result returns this. By default, the text in H element are bold and centered. You can change with that CSS. See HTML table tags. Table defines a table. TH defines a header cell in a table. TR defines a row in a table. TD defines a cell in a table. Caption defines a table caption. Color group specifies a group of one or more column in a table for formatting. Call group specifies column properties for each column within a call group element. Thread tag defines groups the header contained in the table. Tbody defines groups the body content in the table. Tfoot defines groups the footer content in the table. Okay friends, this is the end of HTML part 24, tables. In next video, let us learn about another topic, table borders. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. If possible, share our videos by different social media like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and support our cause to reach 1 crore people and make our project Good Handwriting for All great success. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.